Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-steps on how to replace the M.2 drive. And in a separate video, you do have to install the Windows 10 on it. The brand new M.2 drive does not come with Windows, so without the Windows, you can't boot into the computer. So therefore, you do need to have the Windows installation right after installing the new M.2 drive. But for this, we are just going to install the M.2 without the Windows, and I'll walk you through step-by-steps on how to do that. So get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. Once you have done with that, the next step is to pry open the back cover. Once you have done with that process, now we can remove the M.2 drive. And you want to slide it at about 45-degree angle to remove it. So there are two different types of M.2. One is the Sata M.2 and one is the PCIe M.2. So the Sata M.2 has these two little short ones, and the PCIe has only one. The original hard drive comes with two short ones, which is the Sata M.2. Therefore, you would have to buy the Sata M.2 drive for this replacement. And you can transfer the thermal pad back onto the motherboard and have this slide it back in at 45-degree angle. And have the screws back in. Alright, so there you have it. And just put the back cover on. And have all the screws all back together. All right, thanks for watching. Bye now.